front of me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by exiting Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. So sorry, misclick. Then download this free app from Mad Scientist Developer and tap on Open. Finally, you can click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then tap on I accept over here in this pop-up and adjust all of those settings however you wish to. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and decide if you wish to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!